So now let's explore the interface of Google Jamboard. So over here, once you create a new Jamboard, you see this. On the top, you got the file name. You can go around and then rename it out according to how you like. I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutorTube right here. And I'm going to press OK. So you can see that my file has been renamed right there. Over here on the top, you got the undo, redo option, zooming option, background, and clear frame option, which allows you to work around with the background and clearing out the frame that you see right here. On the top, you got the frame option right here. You can click to expand this out over here as well. On the top right hand side, you got the settings right here, and you got the share options, and you have access to your account. On the left side, you got all the tools, like you got the pen right here, you got the eraser right here, you got like select tool, sticky note tool right here that you can work with. There's images, shapes, there's text, and there's laser pointers that you can use out. So these are the tools, and it is fairly quite simple and minimalistic, which allows you to brainstorm out your ideas and draw out things inside of Jamboard and collaborate with others as well. And that is the interface of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.